So hi guys! Good evening everyone! Welcome sa munting bahay ni Kuya Char. Hindi yan Kuya. So ngayong araw ito, magluluto tayo ng buttered shrimp guys. So, first ang sangkap is, syempre of course, ang hipon. 1/4 lang yan guys kasi konti lang naman kami. Tsaka hindi pa yan na nakuha ng mga bungot-bungot. Then, of course, sara na ang oyster sauce and buttercup, guys. And also, the onion. Garlic pala, guys. Then, Sprite. Hindi yan maubos, guys, Kunti-kunti lang, guys. Kasi ang mabilin sina, guys, at the imot. So, it's na sa finished product. Ready to eat now. Ready to serve.